Allie, put this in the bag. The carrot. I put the carrot in the bag. I'm gonna try to pull out. Can I try the carrot? Can I try to pull out this one?
Yep.
I don't see something orange yet. Guys! I see something orange. It's little. Look how little my carrot is! Look how little my carrot is! Take a picture of it!
You're live.
Look how little mine is! Mine is little.
Look how little this one is.
I put mine in. Let me try these. Whoa, I see one. It's almost done.
Oh, I pulled it too. Cheers! Look how little this one is.
Oh, yeah, what about that one?
I see one. It's not.
Cheers!
I see something orange. Look, guys. Right.
Pull it out, Alex!
Whoa, look how big mine is. Gilbert, look how big mine is. Whoa, that's big, right? Well, probably now. Whoa, I see another one. That's mine.
Whoa! I want to have this one.
I'm gonna pick mine too. Whoa, mine's gonna be so big.
Whoa. I can see it, Allie. Huge.
Whoa, look at mine!
Hey, I'll pull it out.
See how big it is?
Hey, pull this one out first. Pull that one out first.
What?
Put that in there.
Oh! Whoa, mine's really big.
You mean mine?
That's mine. It's mine.
I know, I'm helping you dig it out. What's this?
That's a root. Let me try to get it out. Let's dig it out so.
Yeah, a little bit help.
Whoa, mine's so big!
Put it with the others, Allie.
Whoa, mine's so big. Look at mine. Mine's so big. I like it. I'm going to eat it after.
You're going to have to clean it first.
Yeah, I know that. I'm going to try to take these little ones. I didn't know we can take out the carrots.
I'm guessing the
Oh, two big ones.
Look how little mine is. Logan, look how little mine is again. Mine's just this one.
Cheers!
Oh wait, I see a carrot. I see a carrot. Betch wants the carrot, right?
Yeah.
Look, I found one. I can't get it out though. I need to dig deeper, right? Oh, here's another one. I can see another one in here, Logan. Dude, I can see another one in here. looking for it. Never this. Whoa, look how big mine is! Look how big mine
Wow,
is!
yeah, that's big.
Take a picture of it.
I am. You're live. You better watch out for Michael Myers. He might sneak up behind you.
He might sneak up for our carrots.
Yep.
Does Michael Myers like carrots?
Nope.
What does he eat
I
of?
don't know. Kitchen knives?
What? He eats kitchen knives?
Yeah.
Whoa, look how big mine is I found. Look how
Whoa, that's even bigger. This one here.
big. Yeah.
That's the one you got?
I call first dibs for picking.
Whoa, this is the littlest.
No, this is the littlest.
Here. Is there any more carrots in here?
I think that's it.
Nope.
Oh, there's more now, he said. Let's bring the bag over here.
Hey, look how little mine is.
Oh, there's the hidden one. Pause it.
Oh, this one's mine.
Whoa!
Wow, that's a big one.
Okay.
Whoa! I got free.
Nothing's here. I don't think. No, it's just his turn. Push.
Is that a grass? Oh. Thought that was. Oh, feel something big.
I want to be on that carrot. Look at this carrot.
Oh, there's still some more on the other side.
Nah, look at this carrot.
It's a baby one.
Nah, I just found this. Nah, don't. Hey, what's this? Look how tiny this one is. Guys, look how tiny this
Look
one
how
is.
skinny this one is.
Look, guys, look how tiny this one is. Whoa, that's it.
Look, open the bag, show. Oh, and Gilbert, there's a piece of meat.
I want to hold it now. Whoa, a train.
This one.
Oh,
Hey,
you can plant.
I can't.
Let me get the focus.
Hurry, open the bag.
They're in! Zombie!
No. Guys, you have to go back. You haven't asked and you guys ain't allowed in. That's not too much. Why? Come on, Kate. I'll be fine. Just come here. Okay, bye.
I can't.
I want to come in.
This is my cartoon.
You didn't want to.
This is my dog.
Just kidding. You making a video?
Yep.
Ah, jeez.
Whoa!
What is this? What is this?
That's Logan.
Wait, it could cookies. Alright. Hey. Alright.
Hey! Kill! That's mine. That's my mom's tail. My helmet! This is my iPad.
Why do people can't play with it? Hey, come over here, Julius.
Give it, I want this.
Come, Julius.
Where's your aunt? Madeline! Okay, go get Madeline. Tell her Layla's a pervert and tell her she has a dirty book.
And he's not a pervert. Only you are a pervert.
Just because I'm looking at this?
Yeah.
Madeline! You know.